Hello, let us solve this one. This question is really very easy. It says several mice live in 3 houses. Last night every mouse left their house and moved directly to one of the other 2 houses. The diagram shows how many mice were in each house yesterday and today. How many mice used the path that is indicated with the arrow? Now, most students misunderstand this question. They try to arrange it like this. Like when they see these one and these one, so here it is originally 7 but now it is 10. So what they try is they try to make 10 over here. So they just move like 1, 2, 3. So now it is 10 over here. Then they think that I need to make 5 here. So they will just move 3 over here. And then they think that arrangement is properly done. Here 10, here 4. So I will keep it here. Arrangement is done. But this is not the right way to do it. The question says every mouse. It means there is no one who will not change their house. Like if you see these arrangement, then green was originally here and new location should be here or here. It is compulsory for each mouse to change the house. So that is the one of the biggest misunderstanding I have observed in the students. Now let's go to the correct way of solving it. So here I have made the same diagram again that is originally given over here. Now let us do the movement very quickly. So here we have 7, here we have 5 and here we have 8. Now let us try our best to make it like this. So first of all, I am making a big change in my work. I am moving all this over here and I am moving all this over here. So you can see at this place there should not be any green. We don't have any green. At this place there should not be any blue, and at this place there should not be any red. That's what is the condition. Now my target is to make 10 over here. In order to make 10 over here, I have only one option to bring reds over here. Why? If I bring green over here, that is the original place for green. It means if I put green here, this green mouse is not changing the house. So I cannot bring this green over here. Only option I have is red. So here it is 10. So I will bring 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the question says how many mice are going to use this route. So already 5 mice use this route, isn't it? They have given arrow over here. But it is perfect? No, it is not perfect. What target we are looking for over here? We are looking for 6 over here and we are looking for 4 over here. So now I can take 3 green from here. 1, 2 and 3. So you can see now all the conditions are fulfilled. No. Why no? Because these 3 reds are over here and the question says every mouse must change their home. So in order to work on this, what I will do, I will move 3 blue from here and I will take them over here, and I will take these 3 red from here to over here. Now 3 went up, so on this route 3 and 3 came down, so 3 more. So total 11 movements, and now if you observe all the conditions are fulfilled. You can see there is no red over here, there is no blue over here and there is no green over here. Every mouse has changed their home and all the conditions are fulfilled. By using different colors, I try to make it as easy as possible for you. I hope you find it useful.